A chance of snow showers. Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: southern Marinette and southern Oconto. Winter storm warning in effect until 4 a.m. Wednesday. Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations between 4 and 6 inches. The areas impacted include southern Marinette County and southern Oconto County counties. The hazardous conditions are expected until 4 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts: plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: southern Marinette and southern Oconto. Winter storm warning in effect